Hey everybody, it's Sally with Sally's Solutions, and just gonna share a tip that I do with my paid per letter writing. So I like to do them in batches. I typically put a group of 20 envelopes together, 20 of the cards, in a book of stamps. But I have found that my conversion rate is better when I have larger drops. And 20 cards is a drop of 100. So now I'll actually do 100 envelopes, 100 cards with 100 stamps. So then that's when I send that out, provided they hit the casino around the same time, I would get a drop of 500 instead of 100. And I convert better when I have bigger drops, or that's what I have seen in my experience. Okay, so what I do when I do these larger batches is I break it down by steps. So the first thing I'm going to work on is addressing all the envelopes and stamping them. Then while I'm doing that, I will be pulling the codes, because it takes a while to get the codes pulled, because you can only pull every 5 minutes. So that's your rate limiting step with paid per letter, is having to pull your codes. Once I have the letters all addressed and I've got some codes pulled, then I start writing my cards. And what I do, there's 2 different parts to the cards. Up here is like my name, my email address, and my full address, and then you put the code here. And then down here is what the course teaches you that you have to write. So I will do this section on all 100 cards, and then come back and do the last section on all 100 cards. It helps me so that I don't get confused on what part I'm writing. So, because if I write the whole card out, sometimes I'll get confused, and I'll like put something from the first part into the second part, or vice versa, and that's like, no. So doing it in batches like this helps me avoid errors. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick. If you haven't joined the opportunity yet, please get with me if you would like more information. I can get you to a Wednesday night Zoom presentation, or I can send one to you of a past presentation so that you can watch it and see what it's all about. But guys, make 2025 your year to help get your financial situation in check. It really helped me in 2024, and my goal is to do more in 2025. So, all right. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe, as well as hit the bell notification so you can continue to receive additional videos from Sally's Solutions about Standard Academy's paid per letter. And Chucky wants to come in and get in on the action, but he doesn't want to look at you guys. He just wants mama. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.